Hey, what's up everybody? I got a 2018 Nissan Frontier. I'm doing the cleaning the electronic throttle body. So first what we got to do is get this air intake off, the plastic part. So you got to get this hose off right here. That's just the air hose. And then there's two bolts underneath this engine guard. So take these bolts off right here. They're two 10 millimeters, and you'll be able to lift the engine guard up. Just lift it up. You can lift it up high enough to just get to the bolts if you don't want to take it all the way off. Get these two bolts out back here. Take this hose off. You just take it off by removing the clamp, pushing the clamp back, and then just pulling this off gently. Be careful because this is plastic, it could be brittle. And unscrew this with a screwdriver, and unscrew this one with a screwdriver. And then we'll just go ahead and remove it off of these. Just like this. You just kind of pull it out the way and set it aside. Put it somewhere safe so it doesn't get stepped on or nothing. And then here it is, the electronic throttle body. What you want to do is make sure that the engine's off. And then we're going to gently move this, and we're going to clean the top and the bottom of the cylinder and also the edge of the plate on both sides to get any black carbon or anything off of it. Again, make sure your car is off. You know, no key in the ignition or nothing. Get yourself a can of throttle plate cleaner. And what I do, it's recommended to spray it on a rag and then use the rag to clean the throttle plate. That's just recommended like that in most service manuals. So I just do what it says. So you hold it open gently with one finger, and then you get in there and clean the bottom, the top, and also the edge of the plate. There is a like a metal net kind of grate in there. Be careful not to hit that too much or push it. We're just getting the plate and then the surrounding area of the plate. If this ever gets too bad, like get a lot of carbon buildup, it can cause like a rough idle or hesitation. So it's good to have this clean. If your car is newer, you probably don't have to do it. You shouldn't have to do it. But anyways, so I'm getting in here and cleaning, trying to get all the carbon out. As you can see, the black on the paper towel, and it looks clean. You got the area clean, and that's about it. Go ahead and gently put everything back in place. And if it has high miles on it, be careful with the plastic parts. And these little flex hoses, over time they get really brittle, and a Nissan's infamous for it. The little flex part, those rip. But anyways, get everything back in place. I got all my bolts in, tighten these down so you don't have like an air leak or nothing. Get those bolts in, and then don't forget to put this hose back on, being gentle. And yep, that's about it, guys. So again, be careful with these flex boots. They rip when they get older. And hope this video helps you out. Please like, comment, subscribe.